welcome back to another video, and today I'm going to be making slime. And if you want to make slime with me, you can grab your own stuff. I'm going to be using Crazy Art clear glue, and it is washable, but you can use any type of glue, just not any type of Elmer's glue or Crazy Art glue. It just needs, but it can be, and it can also be any color you would like. But I have paint to dry mine. I have activator, it's magical liquid, and I have 2 bowls to make 2 colors of slimes. And I have these 2 colors. I have a violet slime and a dark red velvet slime. It's kind of like a sweet dragon fruit and salted finish. This is like a lilac color. First, I'm gonna add my glue. It's so hard, but open up, glue. You think the glue's too hard to open? Yeah. Mommy,
yes,
while you're waiting, can you make some more activator with borax and water? Okay.
But you have that squirt bottle.
Oh yeah.
You want me to get that for you?
Yeah. Okay, then I'm supposed to add the glue. I'm gonna add an amount that is a little bit a lot, but it's not that much for this type of bowl. Okay, that's a lot of mess, I guess. Got some on my finger. Glue on my fingernails. Well, there's a big mess right there. I'm just gonna scoot the bowls to the side, okay? And now we need to add the glue to this bowl. All right, and now so it looks like this. You're gonna need to activate it. I already activated it a little bit. You're gonna need to have at least 2 spoons for you to make 2 slimes. But if you want to make a bunch, but if you want to make like as many, you can make as many as you want. But this is just what I'm. No, so whenever you're mixing it and you're using clear glue, it won't be clear until 2 weeks. But if you don't stir it a lot, then it won't be like slime, but it'll still be clear. So if you don't see it being clear whenever you finish your slime, that's okay. Alright, come on. Pour that in there. Actually, you need to pour some in there too. Okay, this is turning into something. Definitely like not slimy yet. I'm gonna add my color. There we go. I added a little bit of this lavender. Now I'm gonna just mix. Mix. Oh, it's still getting pretty. I'll do a little bit more now. Okay, and now I have a bunch of activator in here. And it's starting to clump up, I guess. It has a lot of glue, that's why it's not really slime yet. A little bit more activator. This will probably take a very long process to make this slime. At least an hour or maybe 30 minutes. At least more than 10 minutes. Oh, it has some chunks in it. That's a good sign. There we go. Mixy. Ooh, is this turning into something? Not turning into something that good, but turning into something. I'm gonna add a decent amount of activity. How many times have I said activity? Decent. Okay, it looks like this. Oopsies. Yeah, let's pour it all on. Let's put that right there. And I'm gonna start mixing. There we go. Need a little bit more beta. Okay. Now, if you're willing to get your hands dirty, you're gonna need to roll up your sleeves. Wow. Feels so cool. It's starting to get a little better, but it's not really a slime yet. It's it's a glue, but it's a little clumpier than glue. Oh, cool. Nope. You're not going after. Let go of Pepper, Matilda. Just after you're in the middle. Stuck. Now I'm going to keep mixing. One hand. That's better. Can you help me, Mommy?
Just a moment.
Okay. So it's a little better, but I mean it's still kind of like glue.
No. Stop it right now. Stop. Shh. Do you need the muzzle? You stop. You leave Pepper alone. Honey. Okay, what can I help you with, my dear?
I don't know how to pump this out. It's hard. It's really hard.
You don't know how to do what to it?
Pump it out.
Oh! What she want?
A lot, please.
Keep going.
Yeah. Oh, 2 hands. Well, that's a.
You think that's good?
Maybe.
One more. Might be coming together pretty good there.
Yeah. It's just. It's not
Little more?
slime yet. Yeah.
Here, let me make it not shoot like that. Oh my gosh. I guess it's the only mode it has is shoot.
Can you pray a little bit more? That was a lot.
No.
How about you spray it on the table? Thank you. working good. And it will at some point get off your table. I'm still not getting anywhere close to getting this off my hands.
Honey, would you rather have rice or mashed potato?
Both.
One or the other.
I can't choose one. Rice probably though.
You sure?
Yeah.
I don't know. I think you like mashed potatoes better.
Okay, just choose whatever one you think I'll like. Wait, can you please? But mommy, can you please like spray some more activator? I'm getting it off the table.
Nice. You want to spray it on the table?
Yeah.
More?
How about you spray it on this? Here.
Okay. Matilda, you don't know what to do with that big bag of broccoli. Big bag of broccoli. Big bag of broccoli.
Whoa, cool.
Matilda, get down.
I can't get this off my... Can you please spray a little bit more?
Yep.
I'm getting it good. Taking a while.
Good?
Yeah.
You're doing a great job.
Trying to get it off my hands so that I can like spray it myself.
Is there anything I can do?
Yeah.
What?
Just never mind.
What? You said yeah.
Yeah, I know.
Change your mind that fast?
There we go. Stop touching it. Okay. Oh, that's doing easy. Easy peasy. Well, let's go. My goodness. Oh, this is doing good. Oops. Okay, it's off this hand. Now I just need to get this off on the table. Get this all off my hand. And then I just need to get out. No, this thing gets like tissue. Can I just keep...
Can we come try and help you get it off?
Yeah. Trying to get it off both hands so then I can spray activator on my hand so that it won't stick to me, and then it'll turn into a good slime.
Okay. Yeah, just go to the sink with your hands and wash them.
No, I want to come out like this.
So
Okay.
you don't want my help? You don't want my
No.
help?
Okay, yeah. This is going good. Okay, this is the slime. And we have some purple goo right here. So we need a... We have more slime. Because, well... want to come with its friend. It was too scared. Well, it's just a perfect slime. Now it's just sticky. Okay, I'm gonna remove the glue, remove this, remove that. Most important, make this slime. It's turning into something. It looks like I used white glue.
Maybe it's because the paint's okay.
No, it's because like it has to sit for a couple days to make it. Cool. I'm gonna use this little chunk and I'm gonna activate it kinda to make it, so I'm gonna just run my hand on the table. Actually, some of my sweatshirt. That's why I have to use a sweatshirt that you don't really care about.
You need help rolling up your sleeves?
They're already sleeved up. Whoa, Mommy, this is good.
Good.
Oh, clean off the table. Clean off the table. Clean it off the table. Clean it, clean it, clean it, clean it, clean it off the table. Clean it off the table. Clean it, clean it, clean it, clean it, clean it off the table. All right, it's almost done. So basically, you want to do this with the slime to clean off the table if you put it on the table. Of course, I put it on the table for the sake of it. Right? Get that it. Alright, this looks pretty much clean. So the slime looks like this. I'm gonna add a little bit more paint. Okay, that was enough. I want it to get that violet color. Maybe a little bit of pink. That's enough. Yeah. Literally just cleaned off the table. Don't make it messier. Not gonna get any splotch of paint on this table. I think I made a glossy slime. If you want a fluffy slime, you're going to use shaving cream, not whipped cream, and do not taste a bite. Do not take a bite of it. Mommy, I'm done.
What?
I'm done.
Alright.
I'm going to play with it.
I'm making dinner right now. Wow, it looks good though.
Then
Nice
play with
color.
Now I have this one to do.
Oh yeah, that's good.
Now I have another one. Remember?
TNG.
What does that mean?
Thick and glossy. You're gonna do pink again?
No, I'm gonna do that. That's purple. Yeah, right. Pouring this on the table. Pouring this on the table. Pouring this on the table. Ready. Pouring this on the table. Now we need all of the red. Well, I did not mean to put that much. I thought it was a slime. This hand did all the work last time. Now this hand's gonna. It is not activating yet. Mommy,
What?
activator. Sorry. This is a pretty
Ooh, looks like raspberry.
I know. Because all of the chunkies kinda.
Little river.
Okay, that looks good. It's getting somewhere already.
Looks like raspberry pea.
Can you put some more, please?
Yeah, don't forget all that though.
I know, I'm making this first and then I clean off all the.
Don't let me tell you how to do it. You do a great job. You don't need my help.
This is already turning into a slime. Alright, this is a good slime already. It's just I might. The other slime is way bigger than this one. I need to fix that by adding more glue. You add more glue and then more glue and then more glue. A lot of things to make just once. Alright, it's doing good. This is just going to be a smaller slime. You don't want to hear like that, because that'll not be good. Now I'm going to just click activator all along the table, and I'm going to pour the thing that already is still in the bowl. Because I thought I got it all. There's always a little bit more that I haven't got. Okay, and now I just need a mixy, mix. It's already doing good. Alright, the slime looks like this now. It's super cool. So this is the first slime. Okay, so this is the second slime. I'll turn the camera over. Okay, so this is the first, whoosh. This is the first slime. It's big. This is the second slime. It's a little small, and it's kind of like a rosy red color, but it's kind of like a pinky color at the same time. I think it's pink. You can't really see it on the camera, but it's a little, it kind of looks a little brown on the camera, but it's a very pretty shade of pink. And I'm gonna make a little sundae with it. So I'm gonna use some of that and some of that. Can use a little bit more for that, okay? And then I'm just gonna put them together like this. And then just gonna roll, 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 roll. And then just roll, 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 roll over. And then it's supposed to be like a swirl kinda, but it's not really. Alright, the swirl looks like that. And it'll turn into a very pretty color. But you don't have to mix it. You don't have to mix your slimes that you make. You can just whip it. But this is my slime at the end. So I made about 3 slimes. Bye! See you next time. Don't forget to like and subscribe.